Today's topic is natural pesticide and pest control. We will discuss in this class introduction, method of pest control, classification, essentials of good pesticide, raw material, developments, and its future. First, we know what is natural pest and disease control. Pest is any animal, plant, or microorganism that cause trouble, injuries, or destruction. Many kinds of insect transmit serious disease such as malaria and typhus. Some insects destroy or cause heavy damage to valuable crop such as corn, cotton, wheat, and rice. Pest and disease are part of natural environment system. In this system, there is a balance between predator and pest. This is nature's way to controlling population. The creatures that we call pest and the organism that cause disease only become pest and disease when their activities start to damage crops and affect yields. There is a many types of insects, pests, which harmful for the crops and they destroy the crops or harmful for the crops. And there's so many types of pest control management system. But if the natural environment system is imbalanced, then one population can become dominant because it is not being preyed upon. The aim of natural control is to restore a balance between pest and predator and to keep pest and disease down to an acceptable level. The aim is not to eradicate them altogether as they also have a role to play in natural system. Once a pest or disease has started to attack a crop, the damage cannot be repaired and control becomes increasingly difficult. Where possible, use technique to avoid or prevent pest and disease attack in the first place. So we are discussing about the pest control methods. The approaches used for the control, it can be natural or artificial control. Natural controls. Nature is full of example of pretty predators relationship as the use of specific pesticide against a major pest on a crop might lead to a serious outburst of a loss important pest due to the ruin of natural enemies. This may lead to disappointment in the balance between destructive and useful insect. Second one, non-natural control, artificial or man-made control. We are discussing some methods for natural controls. Method of pest control by naturally. We use healthy soil, healthy crop, resistance varieties, rotation of crop, good hygiene, soil tillage, soil pH, timely sowing, companion planting, plant to attract predators and parasites. We produce barriers. We can use traps like light traps, fly traps, hang pickings, biological control, natural pesticide, social prevention. And non-natural controls are divided in four types of group: mechanical control, agricultural control, chemical control, and biological control. We should have research between artificial control and natural control. Why is natural control preferable to chemical control? Pesticides do not solve the pest problem. In the last 50 years, insecticide use has increased tenfold, while crop lesson from pest damage have doubled. Here are three important reasons why natural control is preferable to pesticide use. First one, cost. Safety for pupils. Pupils, we are consuming the crops and we are using the pesticide during the sowing and cultivation methods. Safety for environment. We should use healthy soil, healthy crop, resistance variety and genetic diversity. Crop rotation, good hygiene, soil tillage. We should test soil pH, timely sowing, companion planting, plant to attract predators, and other areas where we can study and use natural pest control over the chemical pest control. In the series of discussion of pesticide, we should know the classification of pesticide. Pesticides are classified according to the pest they control. First one, insecticide, herbicide, fungicides, rodenticides. Insecticides. Insecticides are farmers use insecticides to protect their crops from insect damage. Herbicides. Farmers use herbicide to reduce weeds amongst their crops. Fungicides. Fungicides are used to control fungal disease of plants and food crops. Rodenticides. These agents are used especially in urban areas where rats and other rodents are a major health problem. The photographic representation shows the fungus where we can use fungicides, small insects where you can use insecticide, rodents like rats and squirrel. Essentials of a good pesticide. For an agent or chemical or pesticide to be a good and ideal pesticide, it should bear certain important characteristics as given. First one, safety margin. A pesticide should have high margin of safety for plants and animal, causing very little or no damage to the foliage or livestock respectively. It should be safer. It should be easier to handle and easy to applicable. It should not show toxicity in case of warm-blooded animal. It should not have flammable or explosive character. It should have safety and palatability of the food product exposed to insecticide and should not show the residual effect of pesticides. It should be available easily and affordable cost. It means cheap and easy to handle, easily used and non-explosive and can be used very easily by man. Now we are going to discuss some natural pesticides. Natural pesticides are pesticide which is used in natural way or plants available in natural sources and used as a pesticides, or some compounds were extracted from the plants which is used as a pesticide. First one, Pyrethrum flowers. It is also known as the insect flower. It is obtained from Pyrethrum consists of dried flowers, heads of Chrysanthemum cinereifolium, family Compostaceae. It is found in various parts of world, especially Kenya, Tanzania, Rwanda, Ecuador, and Belgium. Congo. On similar scale, it is grown in Japan, Brazil, Yugoslavia, Switzerland, Spain, and India also. Characteristics of pyrethrum flower. The closed pyrethrum flower heads are about 6 to 9 millimeter in dia, while the open flowers are about 9 to 12 millimeter in dia. Chemical constraint. Pyrethrum flowers obey its insecticide properties to presence of two groups of esters. The uses of pyrethrum. Pyrethrum flower are mainly used for preparation of pyrethrum extract, which is the form of pyrethrin usually employed in the compounding of pyrethrum preparation. In the same series, second pesticide plants are Derris root. It's also known as Derris root, tuba roots, or tauba. Biological source. Derris root consists of dried rhizome and root of Derris elliptica and Derris malassiensis. Its belonging family Leguminosae. Geographical source. Derris is indigenous to Malaysia. It is cultivated in Burma, Thailand, East Indies, and tropical African countries. It is also produced in Singapore, Borneo, and Sumatra. Derris root characteristics is Derris root are cylindrical pieces of about 2 meter long with a diameter of 8 to 10 millimeter. The microscopy of Derris root shows the transverse section of the dried root consists of the layers of cork cells followed by phyloderm and pericyclic parenchyma with numerous groups of lignified sclerites and starch grains. It consists of chemical constituents. Derris roots contain about 3 to 10% of a flavone derivatives, rotenone. Uses. Derris is a widely used agriculture and horticulture insecticide and larvicide. It is a contact or stomach poison. Its action is more persistent but less rapid than Parenthrum flower. Next one is Lenchocarpus roots. Synonyms: Lenchocarpus roots, cube roots, timbu, barbasco. Biological source of this Lenchocarpus consists of dried roots of Lenchocarpus utilis, Lenchocarpus urucu, and other species of Lenchocarpus. Its belonging family from Leguminosae. Geographical sources. Lenchocarpus is indigenous to Peru and Brazil. It is also produced in British and Dutch Guiana. Characteristics of Lenchocarpus roots usually occur in pieces to 30 centimeter long, 12 to 25 centimeter millimeter in diameter. Chemical constituent: Lenchocarpus roots contain about 3 to 10% rotenone. Uses: Lenchocarpus root obey its action to presence of constituents similar to those of Derris and are used for the same purpose. The plant which is used as natural pesticide, the very famous plant tobacco. It also known as tobacco or tambaku. Biological source: tobacco consists of dried leaves of Nicotina tabatum, family Solanaceae, known as Virginian tobacco. Rustica refers to as Turkish tobacco. Geographical sources: tobacco is indigenous to tropical America. It is cultivated large scale in China, United States, and India. Cultivation collection. Although tobacco is tropical in origin and thrives best in warm climate, it is grown under wide range of conditions. Characteristics of tobacco is a crop which is mostly used for the preparation of cigarettes, bidi, cigar, cherots, hookahs, snuff, and chewing tobacco. Chemical constituents, labels of nicotine contained in various tobacco types vary distinctly, but it is the range of about 1 to 10% nicotine is a pyrrolidine group of alkaloids mainly responsible for its pesticidal activity. Along with nicotine, tobacco leaves has several other alkaloids, especially nicotine and enabasine, which may have some insecticidal properties in association with nicotine. Uses. One of the advantages of insecticidal use of nicotine is its high margin of safety for plants. Insecticidal use of nicotine dates back to the 17th century. During 18th century, Equus tobacco extract or dust was employed as insecticides in the vegetable gardens of Europe, and the commercial preparation of nicotine sulfate was put into market by 1910 as a potential insecticidal agents. The most valuable plants which is used as natural pesticide is neem. Synonyms: neem, margosa, azadirachta. Biological source: neem consists of almost all part of the plants which are used as drug. It is obtained from Azadirachta indica. Geographical source: neem is native of arid region of India and Pakistan. Neem is found abundantly in India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Thailand, Malaysia, and Mauritius, countries of East and South Africa, and in tropical Australia. Chemical constituents of neem. Neem has been found to possess several types of chemicals that could be exploited for pest management. Neem seeds mostly contain the complex tetra non-terpenoids lactones, azadirachtin, nimbine, nimbidine, salanine, and nimboline B, out of which azadirachtin is the most active component responsible for the antifreedent activity of neem. Uses. The pest control uses of neem and neem products can be properly exploited depending upon the nature of the pest. The various reported pest control activities is depending upon the ratio and nature of pest. Neem seeds can be directly extracted to yield neem seeds extract. The oil extracts from the seeds is known as neem oil, while the residual mark is called as neem cake, which may be extracted using alcohol to obtain neem cake extractives. Neem oil extractive is resinous dark byproduct of neem oil. These all substances are used as pesticide activity, attractants, antifreedent, repellent, insecticide, nematicide, growth disruptor, and antimicrobial. Next one is Cevadilla. Synonyms: Cevadilla, Sabadilla, caustic barley. Biological source: Cevadilla consists of the dried ripe seeds of Scoenodon No colon officinale, family Liliaceae. Geographical sources. Cibadilla is a tall herbaceous plant found in Mexico to Venezuela. It also grown in Guatemala. Collection and preparation. Cibadilla plants is 3-4 feet high. The seeds and fruits are collected from the plants after maturity. Characteristics of Cibadilla. Dried mature seeds of Cibadilla are dark brown to blackish, about 6 mm long, but narrow and sharply pointed at the end. Chemical constituent. Cibadilla seeds contain about 2 to 4% of mixed alkaloids or combinedly as veratrine. Uses. Cibadilla was formerly used as pesticide, especially for Pediculis coptis in the form of ointment. Rehania. Synonyms: Rehania. Biological source. Rehania contains of the root and stem of Rehania speciosa, family Placotiaceae. Geographical source. Rehania is indigenous to South America. It is mostly found in Thailand. Collection of the plant. The roots and stems of Rehania are collected after flowering and fruiting. It is the most expensive material and it is not as willingly obtainable as rotenone or pyrethrin. Chemical constant. Rehania contains about 0.16 to 0.2% of alkaloids. Renodine is the major pyrrole alkaloid that is esterified with a complex polyhydroxy diterpenoid. Uses. Rehania extracts containing the alkaloids renodine are used as insecticide for various Lepidopterus larvae which attacks fruits. Various oils can also use as a pesticides or natural pest control. One of these, citronella oil. Citronella oil is a pale to deep yellow oil with a friendly characteristics odor. It is gained by distillation from Cymbopogon nardus and Cymbopogon vinctorius, family Gramineae, and also from the other varieties of hybrids of these species. The merchantable oil is found in two types, which are known as Ceylon oil and Java oil. Both the oils includes a monoterpenes aldehyde, citronellal, as a main elements of essential oil. We have discussed many natural pesticides and we should know the development of natural pesticides. The future. Advances in chemical and biotechnology are increasing the speed and ease with which man can discover and develop secondary compounds of plants as pesticide. These advances combined with increasing needs and environmental pressure are greatly increasing the interest in plants product as pesticide. Development. Limited pesticides that are found to be highly effective in testing are constantly brought to market. Many factors must be considered in the decision to grow the market a pesticide. An early thought is the patentability of the compound. The patent examination must be done for natural compounds as with any artificial compound. The learning objective of this lecture: way to control pests by natural pesticides, essentials of good pesticides, help to understand to use natural and artificial pest control by using different methods, utilization of natural raw material to produce natural pesticides, and future perspectives. Thank you.